That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo, hitting me with all of that melanin, hocus baby, hitting me with all of that melanin, hocus.
Hey kings and queens, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Janisha for those who may or may not know, and I'm back with another freaking video. And this video is extremely important to me because it's Lupus Awareness Month, and your girl is in year 3 of having lupus, you know, and I'm truly blessed and highly favored. And I'm just gonna do a makeup tutorial for you guys because why not? I'm gonna do one every year in May. And I'm starting off this video using the Jumbo NYX pencil to prime my eyelids. I'm using that as my base, and I'm just going to blend that out. And yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Juvias Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to go in with that orange and use it as my transition shade, and we're going to just blend that out really good. Well, and I'm also going to use that purple shade that's in the palette and that pink shade. And alright, I'm going to be using also the Morphe 35M palette to blend out that orange some more. I'm going in with that orange shade, and then I'm not cutting my crease surprisingly this time. I just wanted to like see how it would look without cutting my crease, and it still turned out really well. And yeah, I'm just showing you all the colors that I'm using, so I really don't have to tell y'all which colors because I'm showing y'all. And I'll also leave everything that I'm using down in the description box. And when I get to a certain part of this video, oh you guys, I wanted to like quit, so when that part comes, I will pop back up. It's your motherfucking moment. It's your motherfucking moment. It's your motherfucking moment.
It's gonna be your favorite song. I got a feeling that you brought me to you. Yeah, you did, babe. Look what your mind's imagining.
And if you guys want to know more about lupus, I do have an in-depth video talking about it from last year. And I will leave it in the cards in the corner and also down in the description box below. And it's just going to detail what we go through, well, what I go through all the time, the pain, the flare-ups, in and out the hospitals and different things like that. But I will say that I am blessed because my symptoms are mild, and I only been in the hospital 3 times since, you know, knowing this. I changed my eating habits, and it has been very well for me. And yeah, it still happens, but not as often as it was when I was eating a bunch of junk. So I'm just gonna say eating better and taking better care of your body helps a lot with the pain management.
Landed like a plane on my back if you can't hold it. Life is but a dream that you manifested slowly.
Alright, so this is the part where I was like about to give up because I actually tried 2 different foundation shades, 2 darker shades that will match my neck, because a lot of people be like, your foundation is supposed to match your neck. But in the clip that is about to come up, I'm going to show you guys I look like I did blackface, you know, because it was so much darker than what I really am, but it also matched my neck. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna keep going and highlight and contour to see how it works out. But let me tell you,
It's your motherfucking moment. It's your motherfucking moment. It's your motherfucking moment.
okay, look at this. Now that didn't look right? So I'm just gonna keep going, and next time I'll do better.
It's gonna be your favorite song.
Alright, so I went in and highlighted with the ColourPop concealer in Dark 42, which I thought was a good highlight shade, but as you can see, when I get done doing this, it was making me look ashy. I think it's because it's more of a yellow undertone, and I'm more of like an orange red undertone, so I need to get a different concealer. And y'all, I was looking real clownish, and I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. Like, this is not what's up. This makeup look was a struggle. Well, the face was, not the eyes, but the face, because I was trying to try something different, listen to your advice, talk about match my foundation to my neck, but I don't know.
It's my moment.
Life is but a dream. Here we are inside of it, and you're inside of me. Until you work, sure, while you fall asleep. Finally, you can add this moment to your memory. Ooh, take away your pain, give me all of your emotions. Land it like a plane on my back if you can't hold it. Life is but a dream that you manifested slowly. So fuck a fantasy, this your motherfucking moment. It's your motherfucking moment.
So I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in medium to set my highlight, and I think that made things worse. Like, I did fix everything, y'all. I just wanted to post this part too because the other part didn't record, which you're gonna see later on in the video. But yeah, so I think that made it worse. I need a good setting powder, so if you have some suggestions, leave them down in the comment section, please.
It's your motherfucking moment. It's your motherfucking moment.
It's gonna be your favorite song. I got a feeling.
So yeah, as you can tell, your girl definitely wasn't feeling it, and I was just trying to blend it out. Like, maybe I need to set it with some setting spray, make it look better. But no, I wasn't feeling it, so I did start all over. And yeah, so this is the clip where I'm just explaining to you, okay, I didn't like my face, so I redid everything, but I didn't know my camera had died, so it didn't get the recording of that. So I'm sorry about that, but this is me finishing. And don't it look better, sis? Don't it look so much better? It's not perfect, but it looks so much better. I don't look crazy. I don't look crazy. Alright, so I went into the James Charles palette and I used those two brown shades right next to each other to contour my face. Well, to set my contour. And I'm starting to really love it because it gives off a reddish, brownish tone instead of just like that plain dark brown contour that I normally do. And I like it.
Take away your pain, give me all of your emotions. Land it like a plane on my back if you can't hold it. Life is but a dream that you manifested slowly. So fuck a fantasy, this your motherfucking moment. It's your motherfucking moment. It's your motherfucking moment. It's your motherfucking moment. It's your motherfucking moment.
Alright, so for my blush, I used Rusted and You're Kidding in the James Charles palette as blush. And then I'm also going to go in and use Sister and Wig as highlight for this video as well. I didn't think the eyeshadow as highlight was going to work out really well, but it turned out okay.
It's gonna be your favorite song. I got a feeling that you brought me to you. Yeah, you did, babe. Look what your mind's imagination can do. Making shit true. Like a plane on your back if I can't hold it. Life is but a dream that you manifested slowly. So fuck a fantasy, this your motherfucking moment. Give me all of your emotions. I give to you, baby. Hey, yeah. It's my moment.
Life is but a dream. Here we are inside of it, and you're inside of me. Until you work, sure, while you fall asleep. Finally, you can add this moment to your memory. Ooh, take away your pain, give me all of your emotions. Land it like a plane on my back if you can't hold it. Life is but a dream that you manifested slowly. So fuck a fantasy. This your
You guys, so I added my final finishes, my final touches, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I added lipstick. You girl look cute. I think I look very cute. Okay, you know, I'm the shit. I'm popping Rick Wallace. You know what I'm saying? Let me stop. But yeah, I think I look really cute. It turned out really cute. And if you don't know, I'm a flower girl. You know, everybody asks me where I get my flowers from in this video and my model at home photo shoot video. Girl, these flowers are from the dollar store. Okay. And you just do what you do with them. And yeah, so if you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out. Bye.
It's your motherfucking moment.